Apple. This is a apple. Banana. This is a banana. Custard apple. This is a custard apple. Dragon fruit. This is a dragon fruit. Fig. This is a fig. Grapes. This is a grapes. Guava. This is a guava. Kiwi. This is a kiwi. Mango. This is a mango. Jackfruit. This is a jackfruit. Pomegranate. This is a pomegranate. Peach. This is a peach. Apricot. This is a apricot. Plum. This is a plum. Pineapple. This is a pineapple. Papaya. This is a papaya. Sweet lemon. This is a sweet lemon. Date. This is a date. Olive. This is a olive. Persimmon. This is a persimmon. Lychee. This is a lychee. Raspberry. This is a raspberry. Blueberry. This is a blueberry. Quincy. This is a quincy. Mulberry. This is a mulberry. Cherry. This is an cherry. Watermelon. This is a watermelon. Grapefruit. This is a grapefruit. Strawberry. This is a strawberry. Coconut. This is a coconut. Orange. This is an orange. Sugarcane. This is a sugarcane. Star fruit. This is a star fruit. Sapodilla. This is a sapodilla. Jambolan. This is a jambolan. Pistachio. This is a pistachio. Tamarind. This is a tamarind. Melon. This is a melon. Falsa. This is a falsa. Raisin. This is a raisin.